We are going to start a new chapter, that is similar triangle. Similar triangles. This is one of the most important chapters. We recall about congruency, which we have studied in class 9. What is the definition of congruency? Then we talk about the similarity. So two geometric figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and size. This is about congruency. Congruence. Two geometrical figures are said to be congruent two geometrical figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and size. Means one figure completely cover the other figure. Two geometrical figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and same size. This is triangle ABC, and this is another triangle DEF. Both have the same shape and about size if they have the same area. If both the triangles also have the same area, then we say that these two triangles have the same shape and same size. And if they have the same size and same shape, then one triangle cover the other. Triangle ABC will cover the triangle DEF, and triangle DEF cover completely the triangle ABC. So this is about congruent triangles. Two triangles are congruent, or two figures are congruent if they have the same shape and same size. Now we talk about similarity. Two geometrical figures are said to be similar if they have the same shape but different sizes. Two geometrical figures are said to be similar if they have same shape but different sizes. And two congruent figures are always similar Two congruent figures are always similar. Two congruent figures are always similar. But two similar figures need not be congruent. But two similar figures need not be congruent. If two figures are if two figures are congruent, if two figures are congruent, then they must be similar. If these two figures are congruent, then they are similar also. But it is not necessary that every two similar figures may be congruent. So two congruent figures always be similar, but it is not necessary that every two similar figures be congruent. These are the two circles having the same shape but different sizes because their radius is different. So since they have the same shape, therefore they are similar. These two circles are similar. There is a triangle ABC. There is another triangle DEF. These two triangles have the same shape, but their sizes are different. So these two figures are similar. So two geometrical figures having the same shape but different sizes are similar. And every two congruent figures are similar, but every two similar figures need not be congruent. Now we talk about similar polygons. Similar polygons. Two polygons are said to be similar. Two polygons are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Two polygons are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Two polygons are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the length of and the length of the corresponding sides are proportional. So two polygons are said to be similar if the first condition their corresponding angles should be equal, and if the corresponding angles are equal, the length of the corresponding sides are proportional. Then the two polygons be similar. Suppose there are two polygons. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E. Polygon A, B, C, D, E. And there is another polygon. P, Q, R, S, T. There are two polygons A, B, C, D, E and polygon P, Q, R, S, T. Their angles are, suppose this is 100 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree, 100 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree and again 100 degree. And the length of their sides are 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3.2 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. The length and each angle of the polygons are given, and their angles are 100 degree. The angles of other polygon 100, 90, 120, 130, 100 degree, and their sides are PQ is 6 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4.8 and 6, 4.8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. We are given two polygons with each angles and each length of each sides are given. So what is meant by corresponding? In polygon A, B, C, D, E and polygon P, Q, R, S, T. If the first point is their corresponding angles are equal. Here A alphabet and here alphabet P. So angle A must be equal to angle P. Angle A is 100 degree, angle P is 100 degree. So we can write angle A equals to angle P. The second alphabet B must be equal to angle Q. So B is 90 degree, Q is 90 degree. So angle B equals to angle Q. third alphabet C, and here third alphabet is R. So angle C is equals to angle R, 120 degree. Then fourth alphabet D and S. Angle D is 130 degree, S is 130 degree. So angle D equals to angle S. And the last E and T. So angle E is 100 degree, angle T is 100 degree. So angle E equals to angle T. So we can say that their corresponding angles are equal. And the second point, the length of corresponding sides are proportional. So the first two alphabets AB, and here the first two alphabets PQ. The ratio of AB and PQ. So AB upon PQ. AB is 4 centimeter. PQ is 6 centimeter, which is 2 by 3. The ratio comes to be 2 by 3. Ratio of second and third BC. Here again ratio of second and third alphabet QR means BC upon QR. BC upon QR. So BC is 3 centimeter, QR is 4.5 centimeter. Remove the decimal, it gives 2 by 3. Now, after BC, CD and RS, the ratio of CD and RS are called corresponding. So CD upon RS. CD is 4 centimeter, RS is 6 centimeter. It gives 2 by 3. Then DE and ST, they are the corresponding, DE and ST. So DE upon ST. DE is 3.2 centimeter. ST is 4.8. So again we get 2 by 3. So both the conditions satisfied. Their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportional. Proportional means having the same ratio. Corresponding sides means side AB upon side PQ, side BC upon side QR, side CD upon side RS, side DE upon side ST. So this is called corresponding ratio of the corresponding sides. So if in two polygons, their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding the length of the corresponding sides are in proportional. So we can write that polygon ABCDE is similar to, this is the sign of similarity, similar to PQRST. So in similar triangle or in similarity, order is important. Order is important. We can't take the ratio of AB and RS, the ratio of DE and PQ, we can't take. The ratio of the corresponding sides must be proportional and the corresponding angles should be equal. So two polygons are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the length of corresponding sides are proportional. Now we talk about similarity of two triangles. similarity of two triangles. So two triangles are said to be similar. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal. And the length of the corresponding sides are in proportional. The length of the corresponding sides are proportional. Suppose there are two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if their corresponding angles are equal, corresponding angles means angle A must be equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. They are the corresponding angles A and P, B and Q, C and R. So angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equals to angle R. If the corresponding angles are equal and the length of the corresponding sides are proportional, means the first two sides AB upon PQ equals to second two sides, last two sides BC upon QR, then first and last AC upon PR. So these sides are called corresponding sides. If AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR, means the corresponding sides are in proportional. So two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the length of corresponding sides are proportional. So this is about the basic concept of similarity. In the next video we discuss the theorem, basic proportionality theorem.